In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on a fresh WordPress install using the Kadence theme. We're going to search for Google Tag Manager on a Google browser, click on Google Tag Manager, and then it'll open your account screen. If you already have accounts in here, you'll see them. Say create account. Name this whatever you would like. In my case, I'm just going to name it Small Businesses Marketing, and then test account. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure that you name it something that you're going to be able to identify later. I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to select web, but there are other options. So say it was an iOS app, Android app, an AMP type page, or server-side tag, you would select that. In this case, we're just going to use the simplest form, which is web. We're going to hit create. It'll open Google Tag Manager's terms of service. You hit accept, hit yes. Now that you have set up your account, you'd have to grab the head and body code and insert it into the theme. On your website, you're going to have to enable the scripts tags for Kadence theme in order to insert your Google Tag Manager code. So let's go to the back end of the website. We're going to look for under appearance. We're going to look for Kadence. We're going to select header and footer script. Now that it's enabled, we are going to hit customize, and then it'll open those tabs. You will paste the header tag into the header section of the back end of the site. You would copy your body tag and you would paste it here, and then you would hit publish. Now that we published, we can test our site. Copy your website, paste it in the browser, hit test, and it's just checkbox, and you're done. This concludes our tutorial on how to add Google Tag Manager into your WordPress website with the Kadence theme. If you have any questions, please feel free to just add them into the comments below. I highly suggest you subscribe, as I'll make more content like this.